Hi everyone and welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious blondies. To make these we'll need 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, a half cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll melt our butter on the stovetop or in the microwave in quick 10-second bursts. We'll whisk our brown sugar into our melted butter and then mix in our vanilla extract and our 2 eggs. In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together our 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt, and gradually mix it into our wet ingredients until we have a smooth batter. Then we'll spray an 8x8 inch baking dish with cooking spray and spread our batter evenly with the spatula. We'll bake our blondies in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. We'll let our blondies cool completely in the pan before cutting them into squares and serving. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.